Welcome to ADR Notable, the first of its kind cloud-based software platform system designed specifically for dispute resolution professionals. Let's take a look at one of our most exciting features, the Noteboard. Built like a mediator's whiteboard, this tool goes into the session with you and gives you an easier way to take notes. Once you've created a case and you're ready to go into the session, click the Next Step Take Notes button on your case dashboard. Upon entering the Noteboard, ADR Notable will take you through a guided tutorial to help you learn all the basics of the Noteboard. Detailed descriptions and helpful images will help you build a strong foundation to help you take the most efficient notes. If you want to go into even deeper detail, click the Learn More button to access our Help Center. Here, you'll learn even more to help you best utilize this tool. Here's an example of what the Noteboard may look like after a session. As you're about to begin a session, make sure to start either the plenary or caucus timer. This keeps track of the time spent in a mediation and will transfer to your time log. Found in the navigation panel, the time log keeps track of all the time you've spent in the mediation, broken up by session. You can also manually enter time spent on the case. Enter the date, the start and end time, and any notes you wish to include. It's also easy to edit any session and fully delete it. At the bottom of your time log, you can see the total hours spent in the case. This is especially helpful when you're doing your billing. Back in the Noteboard, click the View Options button to personalize what you want to see. If a session is dedicated solely on the issues at hand, you can hide the unneeded columns. If you only want to see a certain party's notes, uncheck the other parties. You can choose what type of notes you want to see, reveal any blurred notes, and enlarge the font. When you're ready, click the View Options button again to collapse the menu. Split into 4 categories: issues, proposals, facts, and uncategorized. The Noteboard keeps all of your notes in one place. Say goodbye to different colored pens, stars in the margins, and flipping through all the pages of your yellow legal pad. Let's take a deeper dive in how to function this powerful tool. The Noteboard is fully customizable to fit your note-taking method. You're not limited to these column titles. In fact, besides proposals, you can change them to whatever you'd like. If you're in a divorce mediation, you can create a column for spouse number 1 and spouse number 2. All you have to do is click the 3 dots at the top of each lane and change it to whatever you'd like. You don't have to adapt to ADR Notable. ADR Notable adapts to you. Entering a note is simple. Click in the text box above. Type in your note, hashtag what column you want it to go into, and use the @ symbol and your client's abbreviations to attribute the note. Hit enter and the note will appear in the Noteboard. If you'd like to use your mouse, after typing the note, you can click the button of the column you need and the attributed party. Click Add and the note will appear all the same. Not ready to give up that pad and paper? No problem. With our Stylus to Text feature, you can write out your notes just like on the yellow legal pad. This function works on any touchscreen device you have. Maintain that familiar feeling of writing your notes while increasing your efficiency. Confidentiality is important in mediation, especially during a caucus session. Start the specific party's caucus timer, and any note you take will be automatically blurred in the Noteboard. To reveal the hidden text, all you have to do is hover your cursor over the note. Need to edit or change a note you've already taken? Easy. Click the 3 dots on the note card and a menu will appear. If you made a mistake, click the Edit Note button and you can change the text on the note card. You can also change the attributed party if you accidentally put the wrong one. You can blur and unblur a note, or strike it out completely. You can mark it as a caucus note and a small c will appear on the note card, or if you took a personal note, you can mark it as a mediator's note. A small m will appear on the note card as well. Hover over Info to see the date the note was taken or updated. If you want to get rid of a note, just click Delete. We recommend typing in shorthand when taking a note. That way, it's easier, quicker, and you can always edit it later. Have a proposal that addresses an issue? You can easily link them together. Drag and drop the note over the proposal, and it'll automatically attach. This way, you can keep track of your notes and see how they relate to each other. If you only want to see your linked notes, click the link icon on the note card. The rest of the notes will fade away, showing only the linked notes. Does a party have a counter proposal? Click the plus icon on the note card and type it in. Choose the party, and the note will automatically update. In the note card's options menu, you can see your proposal history. This will show you the steps that have been taken to reach an agreement. Once agreements have been reached, it's time to accept the proposals. All you have to do is click the thumbs up icon on the note card. Any accepted proposals will automatically be filled out in your term sheet editor under the Agreement section. Click the Next Steps Create Term Sheet button to access it. If you typed in shorthand, you can edit the language of the note in the text box to fit the language of your term sheet. Need to go back to your notes? Just click Noteboard in the navigation panel. You can get back to your term sheet editor by clicking the Next Step buttons or the handshake icon in the navigation panel. Last but not least, you can access any checklist we've provided you or that you've created straight from the Noteboard. Utilize this feature whenever you want to help keep you on track. Want to restart the guided tutorial or access our Help Center? Hover over the Help button. Our knowledge base will open in a new tab and is full of resourceful articles that help you make mediation management easy with ADR Notable. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit www.adrnotable.com and sign up today to receive 1 month free. No credit card information required.